How to extract zip files on Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Files and then open where your file is. Click on your zip files, right click on it. After you right click on it, you'll find Extract All. Click on Extract All. After you've done that, you can browse anywhere you want to extract. Then press on Extract at the bottom. After it's done, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. It will open a new page, and then in here you can simply click on it and see what's in the file. This is how to extract zip files on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.